Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the PowerEtrade platform. First, access the platform through your web browser or the dedicated mobile application. Once there, simply log in using your existing eTrade account credentials. This initial step ensures you are ready to personalize your trading environment. Next, locate the Settings or Preferences menu, usually found in the top right corner or a sidebar, to begin customizing your workspace. Now, let's personalize your PowerEtrade workspace. You can easily add or remove various widgets such as watch lists, advanced charting tools, and quick order entry modules. Simply drag and drop these elements to arrange them exactly how you like. This flexibility allows you to create a highly efficient trading view. Once you have your ideal setup, remember to save your customized layout as a template so you can quickly load it anytime you log in. Next, let's focus on setting up your watch lists and alerts, crucial tools for staying informed. You can create several distinct watch lists to organize and monitor various groups of stocks, options, or other securities. Easily add symbols to these lists and observe real-time market data updates. Furthermore, establish price alerts to receive timely notifications when a stock reaches a certain price point or other specified conditions are met, helping you react quickly to market movements. Finally, let's configure your order entry and general platform preferences. You can adjust default order quantities, select preferred order types like market or limit orders, and set time and force options. Consider enabling or disabling confirmation prompts for order execution, depending on your trading style. Take a moment to review and modify other account preferences, ensuring the platform operates exactly as you need it to for an optimized and efficient trading experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.